Hello, today we will learn how we can use PowerPoint interface. And what is PowerPoint interface? There are various options in PowerPoint interface like quick access toolbar, title bar, ribbon, file tab, notes, comments and many more. We will discuss all these, how we can use these. Quick access toolbar. This above there are 4 5 options. This is small, there are 4 or 5 options. This is the quick access toolbar and it is almost present in after 2007 version 2007 to 2016 जितने भी वर्जन है उन सभी में ये क्विक एसेस टूल बार आपको मिलेगा. दिस इज क्विक एसेस टूल बार. आफ्टर दैट इज टाइटल बार. Here on the above the window you find the title of your presentation, that is title bar. Here behind each tab, below the each tab there are various options like when we click on the home there are various options open. When we click insert there are various options open. These options the bar in which these options are available, that is called ribbon. When we click one of these tab, whether home tab, insert, design, one of these tab, double click, this ribbon will disappear like this will disappear. And we want to, because if we want to increase the size of our slide, then we can disappear this ribbon. But if we want to reappear the ribbon, then we again double click on the tab and the ribbon will reappear again. Then the file tab. When we click on the file tab, in the previous versions instead of file there is a option button. When we click the file button, this interface of the Microsoft Office presentation will open. Here on the left hand side there are various backend options like new, open, save as, print, share and many other options. And on the right hand side this is the interface of other interface of the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation where we can protect our presentation, inspect and manage our presentation. There are the properties of the presentation, on which date we make this presentation, how much is the size of presentation, how much slides are present in the presentation, and this is all and who created this presentation. So this is the information about the presentation. By clicking on this button we can go back to our presentation. Next is there are in the title bar there are these 4 or 5 buttons. By with the help of this we can also reappear or disappear the ribbon button, show the tabs or auto hidden the ribbon, or show tabs and commands. By clicking on the show tab, only the tabs were seen. If we click on the show tabs and command, then both tabs and command will seen. And if we auto hidden ribbon, then click at the top of application, then it will show it. There are 3 buttons. With the help of it we can minimize the window. With the help of this we can restore down, and with the help of this we can close the window. Now notes. We can add notes to our each slides. There is, when we click the notes, here is the notes area. We can also increase this area, and these are the notes for the presenter that you don't want to show the audience. And for the presenter view we can type, suppose I type hello, how are you, तो ये यहाँ पे टाइप कर सकते हैं हम नोट्स एरिया में. एंड वी कैन ऐड नोट्स एरिया टू ईच स्लाइड लाइकवाइज दिस. So this is the notes area. On the left hand side of the notes area there is the comment. When we click on the comment, there is a comment pane will open, and we can add comment to any slide. Click on the new comment and insert your comment here. Like I will create here my presentation. So it will add here on the presentation on which you insert the comment. When you double click on the this button, comment button on the slide, your comment will show. Likewise, when you double click, your comment will show in the comment pane. On the left hand side there are the slides view. You can add more slide by clicking enter or Control plus M. When you click Control plus M, new blank slides were added in this pane. On the lower there are various view of the slide. This is the normal view that is showing here. This is the slide sorter. In this view all the slides will seen on one page. Likewise this. When we click on the read mode, it will show our reading mode in the full mode. Like this. This left and right arrow are for changing the slide. And by clicking ESC we can out of this mode. By clicking on the slideshow, this represent the slideshow like this. By clicking ESC we can out of slideshow. These are zoom in and zoom out button for the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. If I click on this minus sign, then the size of my presentation or my slide will decrease. If I click on zoom out, then the size of my presentation or slides will increase. This is all about the PowerPoint interface using. Thanks.